Good morning. In last video, we have studied about number, in which we read there are two types of number, singular and plural. Singular denotes only one and plural denotes more than one. We also studied some rules to change singular into plural. In rule number 1, we add s generally. Rule number 2, words ending with s, sh, ch, h, v, o, x, z, etc. are added here. In number 3, we read words ending with f or fe are replaced by ves. In rule number 4, we read words ending with y should be replaced by ies if any vowel comes before y, we add s. And in rule number 5, we read some words in which there is changing of vowel to make plural. So now we should come to rule number 6. As I have told you that there are some more rules, so we should come to rule number 6. Rule number 6 says compound words are made plural by adding s or es to the main word. Here there is a shabd compound word. First we should understand what is compound word. Compound word is that word which is made of two or more than two words. When any word is made of two or more than two words, that is called compound word. Like bed and room, both becomes bedroom. Tooth and brush, both become toothbrush. So these are called compound words. In compound word we add s or es to the main word. If compound word is made of two words, that time generally last one is the main word. And if compound word is made of three words, that time generally first one is the main word. There may be exception of it. Now you should see compound words like football. It becomes footballs. Here ball is main word. Classroom, classrooms. Son-in-law, sons-in-law. This rule has also some exception. As you know, exception means that which does not follow the rule. Like you should see milkman. This is M-A-N, milkman. It becomes M-E-N. There is changing of vowel in it. Man-servant. Two changes come in it. Man-servants. M-A-N becomes M-E-N and servant becomes servants. In the same way, woman servant, it becomes women servants. There is changes in woman, it becomes women, A becomes E here, and servant becomes servants. It means there are some exceptions too in this rule. Now we should come to rule number 7. Abbreviation and digit are made plural by adding apostrophe s. Abbreviation means short form of any word. When short form of any word is written, that time we make plural of that word by adding apostrophe s. We can also make plural of digits by adding apostrophe s. You should see example like MP. It becomes MPs. MLA, MLAs. 10, tens. 100, hundreds. One question may come in your mind. 10 is not plural. 100 is not plural. Yes, 10 is plural. 100 is plural. But we can also understand 10 as a unit. 100 as a unit. When there are many units of 100, that is called hundreds. Like hundreds of while we are going. So we can also make plural of these. But in modern English grammar, some changes have come. If MP is written without full stop, that time only S is added. Apostrophe S is not added. And you should mind it that small s is added. MLA, MLAs. If there is no full stop, you should not give apostrophe S, you should give only small s. In apostrophe S also you should give small s. Now we should come to rule number 8. There are some rules which are the rule of foreign words. In English, there are some foreign words. It means from French, Latin and other words, those words have been accepted in English. For those words, there is different rule. You should see, words ending with UM are replaced by a. UM, if there is UM at the end of any word, that time you should remove US. You should remove UM and put there a. It means UM is replaced by a. Like bacterium, there is UM here, bacteria, UM removed and a is put. Bacterium becomes bacteria. In the same way, stadium, UM is at last, it becomes a, stadia. Curriculum, there is UM at the last, this becomes curricula. In the same way, medium, media. Number 9, words ending with US are replaced by I. If there is US at the end of any word, you will remove US and you will put I there. It means you have to replace US by I. Example, syllabus, there is US at the end, it becomes syllabi. Fungus, fungi. Stimulus, stimuli. It means there, if there is any word, there is US at the end of that word, that time you should replace US by I. Now we should come to rule number 10. Words ending with IS are replaced by ES. If there is IS at the end, you should replace that with the help of ES. Example, oasis, it becomes oasis. IS becomes ES. Synthesis, it becomes synthesis. IS changes into ES. Hypothesis, it becomes hypothesis. And number 11, words ending with U are added X. Here we don't replace. If there is U at the end, we add X. Example you should see, view, vuex. View becomes vuex. X is added here. Bureau, bureau becomes burex. So if there is U at the end of any word, we add X. But plural of bureau is also bureaus. You can find both the plurals in dictionary, burex and bureaus. But generally, if there is U at the end of any word, that time we add X. So today we read some more rules of rules to make plural, and those were of compound words, abbreviation and digit, some foreign words. Thank you. Have a nice day.